Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup look or routine. So honestly, my everyday makeup, some people could call it glam, but what I'm about to show you guys right now is the toned down version of that, which is more suitable for everyday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and keep on watching. Now that I got all of my hair out of my face, I'm going to be using primer first, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Prime. I'm going to be putting that on my T-zone and whatever is left on my hand on the rest of my face. So after primer, I'm going to be going into foundation. I use the L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade 130 True Beige, and I'm going to be mixing it with my moisturizer, which is Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion. Very affordable and very effective actually. So I'm just going to be taking a pump and also like same amount in lotion or moisturizer. So there it is. Oh my god, it's falling. I can't show it properly, but that's that. I'm gonna just mix it with my fingers. And I'm going to dot it on my face. And I just blend in circular motions. And that is the foundation. So since we mixed moisturizer into it, it became a bit more sheer, which is good for every day because you want your skin to breathe. And using the big brush, don't worry about not getting into the crevices like your nose and under your eyes, because that is where concealer will come in. So I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 304 Bisque. And I'm going to be taking a smaller brush and I'm just going to highlight and conceal some places on my face. So after concealer, I like to go in with some powder, and I like to lightly bake my everywhere I place the concealer. So after powder, I like to go in with some bronzer. I'm using the BYS Matte Bronzer, and it's going to crack and shatter at any moment now. So just thought I had to share that with you all. And I'm gonna lightly bronze the perimeters of my face. So after bronzer, I go in with blush, and I use the Milani one, the rose blush. I use the rose blush. Can't really see the label as well anymore, it's like rubbed off, but this is in the shade Blossomtime Rose, and I love blush, so I'm gonna go ham on it. And I just put it on the apples of my cheeks. So after blush, I go in with some highlighter. I'm using the Wet n Wild MegaGlo in the shade Precious Petals. And I'm just adding a little bit because the blush we used already had a little bit of sheen. So now that the face makeup is done, we're gonna go and head on to the eyes. And first I'm gonna do my eyebrows using the Essence Million Nude Faces palette. I'm actually going to take this shade, the dark brown shade, and I'm gonna fill that in with an angled brush. And usually I get my eyebrows done, but because of everything that's happening, I couldn't. I'm just trying my best to shape them. So after eyebrows, let's head on to the eyeshadow, and I'm taking the same palette and I'm gonna be using this shade, the warm terracotta shade, on a fluffy brush and just putting that on my crease. So after that, I'm just gonna go in with the Champagne Shimmer shade with a flat brush and just put that all over my eyelids. So a few more steps for the eyes. I'm gonna be curling my lashes and adding on some mascara. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. And that finishes the eye look. So usually I'd put on a wing, but for the sake of everyday, I'm gonna skip that. And I'm gonna go to the last steps, which is the lips. I'm using the Essence Lip Liner in number 8 Big Proposal and the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lip. I have no idea what the shade, but they're very similar. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of a gloss. This is actually a lip balm, but it gives a little bit of a gloss. I'm going to be using that. And lastly, I'm going to set that all in place with the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray. And that is the finished look, my everyday makeup routine toned down edition. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, you guys know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below some stuff you want to see from me next. And don't forget to subscribe. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.